Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to turn off Spotify Shuffle Play. So first thing is open the Spotify application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged in into the Spotify, you need to tap upon the playlist or the song to which you want to turn off the shuffle option. Now once you're at the home page, you tap upon the playlist. To do this, tap on your library first. Then from the library, you select the playlist to which you want to turn off the shuffle. Tap that playlist name. It will direct you to the playlist page where you will have all the songs and the playlist name. For you to turn off the shuffle, you need to tap on that cross icon arrow just beside the play button. You tap that. Want to turn off shuffle? With free, you can listen only on shuffle. Turn it off and play song in order with premium. So this is the option in premium only. In normal Spotify account, you won't have this option of turning off the shuffle. So for you to do this process, you will need to go to premium account of yours. Tap on explore premium and you will have this option where you will need to pay a certain amount monthly or yearly for this feature to be available for you. This is it one way. So another way how you can do this is you open the playlist or song album in the Spotify. Tap upon that. It's the similar process as previously. You need to tap on the cross icon just beside the play button. You just tap on that and it will turn off the shuffle. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.